thin brows is definitely something that I cannot relate to. Oh my god, if I don't pluck my eyebrows, I will for sure have a monobrow within 2.5 business days. But I don't know if you've been on the internet lately, but there is this certain trend that is making its way back. And that is super thin, skinny eyebrows. I've already lived through this trend because I am ancient by now. When I was around like 14 years old, everybody had thin brows. Like the general girl in my class had like 4 eyebrow hairs on each side. And back then I wasn't actually a big fan of those eyebrows. So I had the same amount of eyebrow hairs as like every girl in my class combined. It was crazy. But yeah, the trend is back. And I just really want to try it. I just want to know what it's like to have thin brows. I know right now that I don't really have any brows at all because they are bleached. But we're going to change it. Okay, I got my equipment. So yeah, back in the day, people used to tweeze the shit out of their eyebrows to make them thin. But the problem with that is the more you tweeze your brows, or like your hair in general, the less it's gonna grow back. Because basically what happens, like if you pull your hair out, you damage the hair follicle. Which, you know, if you do it like once or twice, it's totally fine, nothing's really gonna happen. But if you do it like a lot of times, over a longer period of time, the hair follicle gets damaged so badly that the hair won't grow back anymore. Which is very nice if you're like waxing your legs or something, because over time you will grow less hair on your legs. However, if you do that on your brows, you will end up with almost no brows at all. So the moment that thin brows are out of fashion and thick bushy brows are in fashion, you won't be able to grow them back. And that's also why a lot of people got like micro-derming thingy. I don't know, a lot of people like tattoo their brows on because they over-plucked them when they were younger. So we're not going to do that today, and that is why I got myself some razors. And yeah, it is a lot more upkeep if you use razors because the hair is gonna grow back faster, but at least the hair is gonna grow back eventually. Because everything that is in style right now will be out of style within I mean probably like a year. So try to not make any permanent changes to your appearance for the sake of following trends, because it's not worth it, okay? You're gonna hate it eventually, and there's no way going back. So yeah, that was my 2 cents on plucking your eyebrows. Oh, okay, let's just get started. So first things first, we gotta make sure that I actually have some like visible brows, because right now you can't really see them. So in order to do that, I bought myself some hair dye. This is actually meant for like your roots, so it comes in like a little package. It's like a small bottle, and it also comes with a little like brush. And I'm just going to like mix a small amount of the product because obviously I do not need everything. And then hopefully it's gonna be the right color. I mean, I've never used this one before, so I hope it's gonna work. Okay, one brow covered. Is anything happening yet? Oh yeah, it kinda is. Whoa, it's actually getting darker already, right? Damn. Gonna put it on the other brow. Oh wait, let me zoom in a little bit. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna clean around the edges because I don't want my skin to be dyed brown. Whoa, you can already see the difference, boy! Look at these brows. This one is definitely darker than this one. So let's hope they're gonna get even eventually. How long do I actually have to let this sit? Only 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it sit for a few more minutes and then I'm gonna clean it off. So be right back. Okay, I literally stopped filming about 2 minutes ago and my brows are looking like this. So it's time for me to take the dye off because I will end up with having black brows. So let me just spritz some water on this and then I'm gonna clean the dye off. Oh my god. They're so dark. Oof. Okay, so my brows have returned to a planet Earth and as you can see they are very thick, boy. I mean, normally they're way thicker, but I do like pluck, cut, shave, wax. I do everything to my brows to make them not so thick, but they're still very thick. So I feel like it's gonna be a pretty intense transformation, which I'm very excited for. So yeah, let me just get my eyebrow shavers. If I can open it with these goddamn nails. And what I now have to do, I just have to like shave my brows. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this and what is going to look good. But I think I'm just gonna like start shaving it from like the bottom over here. Because that way my brows will be a little bit further up. So it's gonna be cute. I don't know, let's just try it. I don't know how to do this. I'm just gonna try it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does this work? I feel like they're so uneven. Okay, let's also get something up the top. Oh no, it looks so weird already. Oh my god. Oh no, no, I don't think this looks good, does it? Oh no, I took way too much off of the front. Oh my god. Okay, I guess I have to make them thinner now because this is like super thin and this is way thicker. Was this a good idea? I don't think it, this is insane. I'm not sure if this was like the right choice for me. I'm not sure if it's like working for me. I'm also not sure if I'm like doing it right. Because look, I have to be honest, brows have always been like the downfall of my makeup looks. Because I, for the love of God, do not know how to do brows. And I feel like I should have probably thought of that before like shaving 2/3 of my brows off. Look at the difference. No. Okay, let's see if I can do the other one. Oh my god, I have to get them even. I have to make sure they look even. No. How the hell am I going to do that? Okay. I'm just gonna try it. This also feels very bad. It feels like I'm tearing my skin open. Okay, it took me about half an hour, but I feel like they are pretty even, right? I mean, this one looks thicker than this one. Is that true? Yeah, that's true. Damn. That sucks because I definitely like this one better than that one. Wait. Shit. How am I gonna do that? Just leave it on the top then? So even? I mean, I guess they have to be like sisters and not twins. So I guess it should be fine. Oh my god, they're so thin. Okay, so I actually did put a little bit of like eyebrow pencil in the ends just to fill it in a little bit. I should have probably filmed that, but I didn't. I'm sorry. So now I'm just going to get a little bit of concealer and clean the edges. I mean, I normally never do this, but today it's all about the brows, boy. And this is it! Look. They're so skinny! Skinny legends! So yeah, this is the end result of me shaving like half of my brows off, 2/3 of my brows off. I feel like it makes me look like a lot more innocent and like cute. But I do think that I like my other brows better, like my own brows. Cause it's just, I don't know, this just does something to my face that I'm not used to. Wait, I should have like a before and after shot, so. I don't know, what do we think? Do we like it? I mean, it's not really giving the thing that I thought it was gonna give. Like, I thought it was gonna be like high fashion supermodel, but I don't feel that way. I'm not sure why though. Like I said, it just makes me look cuter, innocent. Probably because I shaved like the lower part off. So I just raised my eyebrows, which just makes me look a lot more innocent. If I would have put like the top part of my brows off, maybe it would have been more of like the supermodel look. High fashion queen. Oh my god, this is gonna look so bad once the hair is gonna grow out. I'm gonna have like stubbles all around my brows. Oh no. I didn't really think that through, to be honest. Okay, well, thank you for watching. And I hope to see you in my next video. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao. Kiss, kiss, bye bye, ciao, ciao.